In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Tableau Prep. This tool is designed to help you clean and organize your data more efficiently. So whether you're new to data preparation or looking to streamline your workflows, these steps will get you started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google search page. Here, simply type in Tableau Prep Introduction, download and install. Look for the official link from Tableau's website and click on it. It's crucial to ensure you're downloading software only from official and trusted sources to keep your computer safe from any malicious programs. Once the page has loaded, look for the option that says Download Tableau Prep and click on it. You'll now be taken to a page where you'll need to fill in some basic information. Start by typing in your first name and hit the Tab key. Next, enter your last name. These details are generally mandatory for most software downloads as they help the company to personalize your experience and also sometimes for licensing purposes. The form will also ask for your business name. If you are downloading Tableau Prep for personal use or are a student, you might want to enter not applicable or provide the name of your educational institution. Immediately after, you'll be prompted to enter your organization. Here, provide the name of your organization where you work. Filling out these forms accurately can help in case of future customer support needs or clarifications. Next up, you'll be selecting the size of your company from a drop-down menu. Go through the options and select the one that best matches your organization's size. It's important for Tableau to gather these details so they can tailor their offerings and support based on company demographics. Moving on, you will be asked to choose your department from another drop-down. This is usually to help Tableau provide more specific user support and feature information. After selecting your department, you'll then see options for your job role. Choose the one that best describes your role within your organization. Following that, you need to select your country or region. This is typically for legal purposes and helps ensure you're accessing the localized content that suits you. Additionally, this could affect certain features or data sets available within the software. The next field asks for your phone number. Be sure to input this correctly, as sometimes it might be used for communication regarding updates or support. Once all fields are completed, review your details for accuracy. When you're confident that everything is correct, click on the highlighted area indicating that you agree to the terms and policies. Finally, hit the download button to start the download process. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few minutes. Once downloaded, follow the on-screen installation instructions to get Tableau Prep up and running on your device. And there you have it, you've now successfully downloaded Tableau Prep. Start exploring its features, and you'll soon see how it can transform your data preparation tasks. Happy data prepping!